So bowling in the hands of Rajesh, the Singapore skipper, and facing him will be Sanjay, the debutant in this tournament. A good ball, a natural ball for the left-hand bowler. Oh. So boundary having been scored on the last ball. Oh, he overrun the ball. He could have easily taken the catch had he stood back. But couldn't do so. आ जाएगा आ जाएगा बोल के नहीं. This time it's a very good shot, very good hit by Sanjay, all the way for 4. Picked up his spot very well. बहुत बुरी हालत. नहीं swelling बहुत पूरा हो गया. Oh. 6, that's a 6. A full toss, given the right treatment, no mercy being shown. So seems for a while that Singapore people would like to make it more interesting. So they have been too generous in this over at least. They have given away not less than 21 runs. That's a boundary hit. Slight misfield on the part of Singapore fielder. And now Sanjay will have to retire, having scored 30. And he is going to be replaced by Radha. Radha is enjoying a real big reputation for hitting, but certainly not living to that. Let's see whether he can make a comeback. May I request Vikas Arora to come for the toss, please?
We'll field first, yeah.
Okay, so Mumbai Blazers, they are going to field first and DB Delhi will be batting first in the next match between two of them. Singapore team, Singapore having won the first game and Bangalore having lost the first game, it's a do or die kind of situation for Bangalore. If they lose this match, they are out of the cup reckoning, and it will be a real cliffhanger if Singapore lose to Bangalore. Then each side from that group will be winning one match each. They had scored all those required runs against Mumbai Rippers without getting separated, but it was a relatively smaller target. At then the sun sets in Bombay. Oh, what a mighty heave. 4 or 6? 6, that's a 6. And what a way to open the scoring for his own side. Skipper leading the way. First ball, 6. Much better delivery this time, but very well played by Rajesh. Will he get 2? He wants to go for that, but doesn't get a proper response from his partner. Now he's the one who's at fault. He was looking back. He was just looking back for an overthrow, but ultimately managed to get the second run. And another 6 in the offing now. That's a strange, 4 runs, that has crossed the boundary. So Prakash Bhai emulating the feat of अब तो इस मैच पे दारों मजा आ रहे हैं हाँ what is going to happen in case Singapore lose this game? What should be the margin of victory or a defeat? It's oh, what a lovely shot. What a lovely shot in an unorthodox manner. At least his field, all set to go, ready, batsman ready, and fielder 2 ready. Is it going to be a 4 or a 6? It is a first one bounce 4. So Singapore batsman firing on all cylinders. Is it going to be a 6 or out? Fielder coming underneath and takes the catch comfortably this time. No mess up. So after bowling those 2 wides, Gopa Kumar claims a wicket. Rajesh coming back dejectedly, but he has done the job for his side. Is it going to be a 6 or out? Fielder coming underneath and takes the catch comfortably this time. Oh, what a lovely shot. Lovely shot right onto the top of the bus, parked outside the ground. That's a Kevin for you. Short pitch delivery, given the right kind of treatment, all the way for a 6. That's a very fine display of batting by Kevin. So far, 3 again a short pitch delivery, no lessons learnt. This time a 4. No lessons learnt. So score moves on to 60. Do they want to finish the game in this over itself? Another short pitch delivery. And two fielders intersected very well. 3 consecutive boundaries. Kevin quickly moves on to 21. 7 deliveries, 25 runs. 7 deliveries, 25 runs. And I am sure Bangalore people would like to lose this match in this very over itself and go back to the hotel to relax. Oh, what a mighty swing. What a mighty swing. And that ball is being carried to Churchgate now all the way by the local train. So Kevin, you have to walk out. 9 balls, 31 runs. Give him a big hand. Is that the fastest 30 of the tournament? That is the fastest 30 of the tournament so far. 9 balls, 31 runs. First ball, a dot ball. Welcome relief for Bangalore. But still 11 more balls to go and 5 runs. Singapore will be through. Along will be Mumbai Rippers. So, scores are tied up now. Scores are tied up. Just a single more needed. And Singapore will be through to the semi-final round with Mumbai Rippers. And now I can see a sigh of big relief on the faces of Mumbai Ripper players. Sam giving a big smile, so is Vijay. I can't see Ravneet's reaction. Yeah, he's fully charged up now. And that's it. Should be a wide. Yes. Thank you, umpire. So Singapore are through the semi-final rounds and so is Mumbai Rippers. And Bangalore have crashed out of the plate cup reckoning. They will now be eligible to play for plate. But all the same, they can enjoy a cup of tea. Tea is served upstairs in the dining hall. 15 wides in this particular match in less than 5 overs. That itself speaks the kind of control Bangalore people had on their bowling. That's the price a team has to pay when they depend on the bowling machines. There goes the signal from the umpire for the scorers. All set, ready, steady, and go. First ball in the usual manner, flamboyant manner of Vishal, 4 runs. I don't know what Vishal was aiming for. You can't hit every ball out for a 6. Oh, that's a mighty hit. Will fetch him 6 runs. 6 runs. Mighty shot. 6 runs. 6 runs. I don't know where Maxim has gone. He must be knowing how many people have backed Delhi side. May not be more than 10% of the total entries, but still they are putting up the best show of the tournament. They were the real underdogs. And another one goes. Will it fetch him 8 runs? No, it is just a 4 only. He'll have to remain contented with 4. Batting at its best. Vishal firing on all cylinders. A good ball. Good ball bowled by Lalchand. Will it fetch him still a 4? Yes. Yes. Very little chance for the keeper to run back and stop it. 4 runs. 26 is the score of Vishal. And scoreboard operator really finding it hard now. He Yeah, he's been declared run out. So they lose their first wicket, 30 runs. That's the first failure for Nitin in the tournament. Law of average is catching up with him. But this time he is not going to be lucky at all. Ball has been given the right kind of treatment and it has been signaled a no ball as well. So 5 runs of this shot. Just a single will accrue to the credit to Ashish.
में आ जाओ.
There is a correction. Score is 37 plus 4, now 41. It's not 36 plus 4. Please make the correction. Score should be 41. Same guy. He's continuing. That was declared a dead ball, na? So he's continuing. Vikram. So now this marks the end of the third over. 43 is the score of Delhi side. And next over will be bowled by Ashley. But this time, will he get a 4? Yes. There is a slight misfield on the part of Anand. Oh, what a massive hit. Massive hit. Right onto the Marine Drive. A person of such a lean frame can hit the ball so hard. That's a pure timing. I don't know whether I'll be able to bowl this time. So that's a 4. That's a 4 for Ramandeep. So no mercy being shown. Oh, should be out. Yes. This time Anand completes the catch quite comfortably. Oh, should be out. Yes. This time Anand completes the catch quite comfortably. Bringing the second Delhi wicket down. नहीं बॉल तो पकड़ लूंगा कैच नहीं होगा. How can you keep the skipper away? He also joins his teammates by hitting this boundary. Oh, what a... no way, no way. 4 runs. 4 runs. And now the fielder is complaining. He couldn't sight the ball. It's really tough on the fielding side. It's really tough. Good shot again. Very hot shot. 4 runs. Real crack. Rajneesh is really cracking now. Four runs and a no ball signal too by the umpire. No ball and a 4. So 5 more runs to Delhi's score. And now again Ramandeep strikes it very hard. This time Prashant is a little lucky. So last ball of the inning coming up. Oh, it's all over. It's all over. 6 overs are through. 84 is the score. So they have been able to maintain the same scoring rate of 14 runs and over.
Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. 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 Savio. Finish the game. Players of New Delhi branch. Can you go up and have your tea coffee? The counter is going to close in another 5 minutes.
So,
Mrutyunjay. Sukhanti
so
bola? Sukhanti or Mrutyunjay. Oh, Kalidar, sorry.
So Mumbai calls, losing the first wicket, 33 for 1. Third over in progress. A very
Varun, do you need some assistance? Varun? Do you need some?
Hello. Good play by Clever. Joshi, look at the match. Baby girl.
Hello.
Shallow. Good shot, Arvind. Good play. Good shot. Good shot by Arvind. The sip of beer is working now. Good shot by Arvind. It's a 4. Good shot. स्कोर 70 कितना हो गया स्कोर 79 ए बॉस fucking
You know like this, Simon.
yeah it is come we have Mrutyunjay Singh and no one segment Mrutyunjay Singh and
Oh, well ball सुकांती. बैट का भीतरी किनारा लग के बोल्ड हो गए. Who's batting?
I don't know the name. Varun Rajpal and Mrutyunjay Singh. Varun Rajpal and Mrutyunjay Singh.
Oh, well ball सुकांती. बैट का भीतरी किनारा लग के बोल्ड हो गए. हमारे डॉइश के धुआंधार बॉलर उसका नाम क्या है? विनय प्रभात.
What?
The way you're talking and commenting.
Okay. और ये बहुत ही अच्छा ग्लांस किया है. थर्ड मैन की तरफ 4 रन.
Long leg है.
अबे हाँ वही. लेफ्ट हैंडर है. सॉरी. और ये बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट है. छक्का. बहुत ही उम्दा शॉट.
We have Anil Salvi who has just walked in.
ये बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट. 6 रन.
Beautiful batting. Class. Beautiful batting. Ball na.
नहीं हिंदी में. Who's bowling?
We have Sanil.
और ये बहुत ही अच्छे शॉट. बहुत ही शानदार बॉलिंग का प्रदर्शन किया है सलील नाथ ने अपनी पहली गेंद पे. Who's bowling?
We have Sanil.
और ये बहुत ही अच्छे शॉट. बहुत ही शानदार बॉलिंग का प्रदर्शन किया है सलील नाथ ने अपनी.
Looking London, seeing Tokyo.
हमारे चेन्नई के सचिन तेंदुलकर मिस्टर बाला सुब्रमण्यम क्रीज की ओर बढ़ते हुए.
अभी चेन्नई के रमेश.
Ari, how are you?
बहुत ही अच्छा ग्लांस किया. 4 रन.
सीधे कमेंट्री बॉक्स के नीचे.
सीधे कमेंट्री बॉक्स के नीचे.
The game is evenly contested and the better team should win.
और बहुत ही अच्छा कैच. हमारे डॉइश बैंक के जॉन्टी रोड्स मिस्टर क्लेवर ने बहुत ही शानदार अटेम्प्ट किया कैच करने का, लेकिन बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट, बाउंड्री की तरफ, 4 रन दोनों फील्डर के बीच में से हमारे।
We have Sanil Nath, who's doing a very good job. He's bowling perfect line and length.
That is Grand Medical Show, huh? Remember that. Before he forgets.
और बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट,
Beautiful shot.
ब्यूटीफुल शॉट हमारे चेन्नई के तेंदुलकर ने। और ये बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट,
Too good. This guy is class. He's just class.
ऑफ साइड से उठा के ऑन साइड पे 6 रन की ओर।
मृत्युंजय सिंह ने बहुत अच्छी
बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट और बहुत अच्छी फील्डिंग का प्रदर्शन, लेकिन और ये बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट,
Beautiful shot.
4 रन।
This was bread and butter.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, been a very lovely evening with lovely floodlights, seems like moonlight, and that was a very good catch, and that was very nice.
We have taken Ravi Goyal's place here in the comp.
ये बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट। अब देखना ये है, इस परेशानी की घड़ी में इस परेशानी की घड़ी में क्लेवर ने एक उम्दा बॉल डाल के रवि गोयल को बोल्ड कर दिया है। मैच एक बहुत ही रोमांचक स्थिति में पहुंच गया है। अब और ये रन आउट, और ये बैट्समैन के बीच में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग और ये आत्महत्या।
That was a suicidal run that they took. The
और क्लेवर को सपोर्ट करते हुए अब और ये रन आउट, और ये बैट्समैन के बीच में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग और ये आत्महत्या।
That was a suicidal run that they took. This panic is.
और ये बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट, अच्छी फील्डिंग सनील नाथ द्वारा।
2 runs, 8 balls. 7 runs.
और ये हिट विकेट हो चुका है और चेनकॉल के 5वें बैट्समैन बहुत ही बुरी तरह आउट हो गए। अब देखना यह है चेनकॉल 2 गेंदों में 9 रन कर पाते हैं या नहीं। बैट्समैन ने बहुत ही चतुराई का प्रदर्शन दिखाते हुए और ये आउट। बॉम्बे और ये बैट्समैन ने बहुत ही चतुराई का प्रदर्शन दिखाते हुए और ये आउट है कि नहीं। और के साथ
we have Mumbai who has done a good job. From Barclays who has just walked in.
And I think a big round of applause for both the teams. It's a pity that only one team could win it. And Chen Call put up an excellent fight. And a big hand for Chen Call. Okay, all team captains, can you report to the scorer's desk, please? All team captains, can you report to the scorer's desk?